Good evening, everyone. A very, very warm welcome to each one of you in today's session. Give me a yes in the chat box if I'm loud and clear. If I'm visible, if I'm audible, give me yes. Thanks, Alifia, and thanks for that quick response. Wonderful, very nice. That's the energy. Wonderful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. How are you all doing? How are you all doing? Great. Good. Superb. Awesome. Yes, that's how you need to answer. Whenever I say, how are you doing? You say, I'm amazing. I'm awesome. Yeah, that's the energy that you need to keep. Wonderful. Very nice. Unnati, belated happy birthday. I'm so sorry, darling. I couldn't wish you yesterday. See, I'm wishing you today, live. Yeah, wonderful. Yes. So today we are here with a very, very, very important topic called the energetic cord cutting, the masterclass today, where you get insight into what it is, insight into how it's important, where it can be implemented, etc., a lot. How many of you know this concept of energy hygiene? Any idea when we say the word hygiene? Is it hygienic? Is it clean? You want to eat pani puri, but it is a hygienic. Look at his hands. Look at the water. That's how we say, no, when we go to a hotel, the moment you go inside, you look at the place and you say, I don't know, this is not looking hygienic to me, right? We're so particular when it comes to the physical things, right? It could be somebody else's clothes. If we want to wear another person's clothes, twice we think that, is it clean or no? How is this person? All of that is about the physical hygiene. How is the place smelly? How is the place dirty or clean? So when we talk about the word hygiene, we generally refer to the physical appearance of it. But let us assume you go to a hotel and it looks damn clean, shiny. Everything is looking, the guy who's cooking also is like in beautiful, clothes. You feel like, I think this is a safe space to eat. Another place where I feel people look for hygiene, very, very, very important. And I feel how many of you feel that this is so true? Give me 100 in the chat box if you are like, yeah, this is one place that 100% we look for hygiene, which is hospitals. If we go even to a small clinic or a big clinic, and the moment we step into the hospital, we look for hygiene. It should be a good, neat place in every manner, right from the entrance. And that's why, there are some places, hospitals who charge really high. And that's mainly because they maintain a huge level of hygiene, which is so important, right? How many of you agree that hygiene is very, very important? Yeah, give me agree in the chat box if you feel and you resonate to me that yes, hygiene is very important. Yeah. And similarly, there is a beautiful, all that agree, when fantastic. Yeah. All that we talk about the physical hygiene, we talk about the hospital hygiene, we talk about the hotel hygiene, we talk about ghar ka hygiene, we talk about any place, we talk about hygiene because it's very important. Today, we're learning a beautiful concept called as energy hygiene, right? Each one of us are made up of energy. Each and everything around us is made up of energy. Every person around us is made up of energy. Every thought that we have is made up of energy. Every feeling that we feel is made up of energy. A location that we go and come back is made up of energy. And everything until today that we have been living, walking, breathing, everything is made up of energy. And hence, energy hygiene is top notch. Now, how many of you feel this is so true? Give me true in the chat box that energy hygiene is equally important as much as physical hygiene is. True, 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 true. Yeah, yeah, very true. I'll tell you about me. A little story about me. I love sharing my real stories. So, physically keeping the place neat and nice was not in my agenda lot many years ago, let's say 10 years and before 10 years. My room used to be shabby, my clothes used to be shabby, my house used to be shabby, anything that belongs to me used to be shabby. And yes, what ended up happening was my life ended up in that state being very shabby. There came a beautiful phase where I started understanding the importance of the physical hygiene, the decluttering started in my life, etc., etc. And my physical space I started improving. As I started improving my physical space, what I understood is my mental space also started improving. As my mental space started improving, what I understood is my feelings started changing towards the entire life, people, everything. And as my feelings started changing, the energy of mind started changing. And as my energy started changing, I became very particular. If I have to talk to you, I'm very particular where I spend my time, where I spend my energy. Each and everything about my entire day schedule is very carefully thought and I'm very mindful. I do not like to waste time. I don't like to waste my energy on unwanted people. I do not want to meet unnecessary people because I've become very particular about my energy. And this is not about anything else but energy hygiene. And when you start living like this, you every day start vibrating higher because you never allow your energy to be drained. It's just like your money. You're so careful with your money कि यहाँ वहाँ waste ना हो जाए. We are always like that कि पैसे खर्च करना ठीक है, waste नहीं होना. How many of you can feel that this is so true? That the moment we have an X amount of money, we're very careful. We will enjoy, we will buy things, we will eat the things that we like, we will do everything, but we don't want it to be wasted. But a lot of people do not realize that they are wasting a lot of their energy without knowing about it. And then at the end of the day, they feel so drained and they say, I don't know why things are not working out for me. I don't know why my relationship is not working out for me. I don't know why my growth is not happening. I don't know why my career is not blooming the way it should be. I don't know, everyone around is getting a promotion. I am not getting a promotion. I don't know, I love a lot of people, but I don't get that kind of love back. How many of you feel this is something that you have always craved for? कि जितना मैं एक रिलेशनशिप में या एक करियर में या किसी भी चाहे अपने बच्चे में जितना मैं डालती हूं उतना फल नहीं मिलता. How much effort I put, I don't get the fruits. Yeah, absolutely. And that's because whatever is your age until now, from the time you're born until today, you're meeting people, you're exchanging talks, you're exchanging thoughts, you're exchanging feelings, you're exchanging so many different types of emotions. And without our knowledge, we are entangled into them. Absolutely, we are entangled into them. And then there are days when you come back home and say that, I don't know why, after meeting this person, I felt very good today. I felt very nice. सुबह से मूड खराब था, but after I met this person, मूड एकदम अच्छा हो गया. And then there are people that you feel सुबह से मूड अच्छा था. I don't know, after meeting this person, सब कुछ खराब हो गया. I started feeling sick. I started feeling tired. I started feeling body में pain हो गया. It's nothing but the energy of the person that either uplifts you or that drains you, right? And sometimes it's in our control and sometimes it's not in our control. 50% of our energy is in our control because we can, at one time when we get awareness, then we start becoming very careful. Especially we as healers, we are very careful where we put our energy, with whom we are talking, etc., etc. In each and every manner, we are very careful. But then there are times when we cannot do certain things. They are not in our control. Like there could be certain place that you have gone and you don't know that the energy is not that great over there. We can't always go with that aura scanner and say पहले मैं check करूंगी कि aura scanner से energy ठीक है या नहीं, and अगर अच्छा है तभी मैं जाऊंगी. It's not possible. It's not practically possible. And no matter how hard you try to stay positive, think positive, feel positive, we are human beings. And it's very natural that we could think negative. We could. And then, yes, we train ourselves. कि नहीं नहीं ऐसे नहीं सोचना. We'll come back. We'll think positive. Let's manifest. We'll do this. We'll do that. Yes. But then again, something happens and we keep getting back there, which is very, very true. It's very natural. What we don't understand is over a period of time, like I am 40 plus right now. For the last 40 years, how many people I have met, how many places I've gone to, how many thoughts I've had, how many feelings I've had, we absorb all that energy. Anju Jain nailed it. She said we absorb undesirable energy. It's not just one place, Anju, it can be multiple places. She's mentioned hospitals, but it could be anybody. Anybody without our knowledge, we could absorb and we will not even know that we have absorbed. Right? She said we go to a hospital. I will say, even if you think about a hospital, there is a possibility that you have picked up some sickness without your knowledge. Right? When we watch TV and we see accidents, we see so many things. किसका किडनैप हो गया, किसी का रेप हो गया, ये हो गया. घर में जैसे ही बच्चा बाहर जाएगा, ए बाहर नहीं जाना, पूरे शहर में किडनैपिंग चल रहा है. And you start getting a feeling that, I don't know, I'm feeling scared. I'm feeling fearful out of nowhere. what happened is your energy has changed. And you know what? To a great extent, कुछ हद तक हम इस एनर्जी को टॉलरेट कर सकते हैं. एक हद के बाद इसको टॉलरेट नहीं कर सकते हैं. What happens is whatever has attacked in our energy body is now slowly started to show in the person's physical body. This is 100% true. Until a really long time, as long as things are affected, we have something called as sheaths. We have 5 koshas, pancha koshas. So each and every kosha has a great role to play in our life to be happy. We have 7 chakras. Each and every chakra is having a very important role to play in our life. Each and every nadi in our life has a role to play. Now, if there is an imbalance in chakras, life is messed up. If there's an imbalance in the nadis, there is an imbalance. And if there's an imbalance in the sheets, if there's any pollution there, there's a problem. So it's very important. This is called as energy hygiene. That we take care कि हमारे पंच कोश शुद्ध है, हमारे पंच तत्व शुद्ध है, हमारे 7 चक्र शुद्ध है, और हमारे नाड़ियां शुद्ध है. And if this much you can sort out, this is something that we can control. अब planets में क्या हो रहा है वो हमको नहीं पता, है ना? So many other things are there which are not in our control, but this much is in our control for sure. Our panchakoshas, our sat chakra, our nadis, and our thoughts and feelings and etc. All of this, if we are able to manage, we are able to keep our energy clean, and that's called as energy hygiene. And for that to happen, we need to train ourselves in such a manner that आज के बाद सिर्फ अच्छा सोचेंगे, लेकिन आज तक जो कचरा किया है उसको साफ करना भी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. If I am 40 plus years, until now the 40 years का कचरा is accumulated. It's all in my kosha, it's all in my nadis, it's all in my chakras, it's all in my aura. And I'm walking, chalti firti with all this good memories, bad memories, good energy, bad energy, mixed up energy. All type of people, right from my neighbors to schoolmates to college mates to career friends to any damn friend to aunties and uncles and weddings that I've gone to hundreds of places that I've visited. Each and every place I have picked up an energy. And until some time I'm like सब ठीक चल रहा है, and then comes a time where I feel पता नहीं क्यों हर चीज अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. My body is also aching, relationship also is messed up, career is not growing, children are not listening to me. And that's because it has become saturated. The cup is now full. And just like we say, that there is some hisab kitab going on for our karmas, like that only hisab kitab will be going on for our energetic cords. Each and every person that you meet, every person you talk, every person you think, every person you feel is continuously building a cord with you. And if this continues like this, what happens? After some time, you start feeling, pata nahi why I'm thinking like this girl. मैं कभी नहीं ऐसे सोचती थी, इसके साथ रह के मैं इसके जैसे ही सोच रही हूँ. एंड आई वांट टू टेल यू द प्रूफ फॉर दिस इज दोज हस्बैंड एंड वाइव्स हु लिव फॉर 20 years टुगेदर स्टार्ट टॉकिंग लाइक ईच अदर, स्टार्ट बिहेविंग लाइक ईच अदर, स्टार्ट liking each other's choices if they have managed to live 20 years together. And that is why these anniversaries are very special. After a few years, when you look at husband and wife, you start seeing that इनकी choices वगैरह etc. बहुत सारी चीजें same हो गई है. That's because there is so much of energy exchange that has happened that now similar energies between the two of them, right? What happens unfortunately is जैसे ही हम पैदा होते हैं कोई हमें सिखाता नहीं है कि बेबी कॉर्ड्स, इसके पास आंटी के पास नहीं जाना, इस अंकल के पास नहीं जाना, ऐसे नहीं सोचना, ऐसे नहीं बात करना. Nobody says like that. Nobody teaches us. जब तक हमको 30 40 50 60 साल तक नहीं हमको बुद्धि आता, we don't learn these things. We are very lucky. Call yourself lucky and blessed because we are in the world of internet, in the world of Google, in the world of so many other things, AI and all that, that a lot of knowledge reaches us. And we are able to learn so many things and implement so many things, right? Type in lucky if you think you're lucky in this age where you got to be in that era without the mobile, be in the era when you are with the mobile, with the internet, with the, all the learnings that you have had. Life is so much more easier and better right now. It's just your will and wish that decides that I want to improve something, I want to correct something, I want to bring in changes in my life, or I want to live like this. It is absolutely in your. See, somebody says most luckiest. That's the way how you look at it. Absolutely. Each one of you who said lucky, I'm lucky too. And keep saying this again and again that I'm lucky, I'm lucky, I'm lucky. You will get lucky, right? So, luck is nothing but repeated choice of things that are good for you. They start working for you, right? So I'm going to give you a lot of insight into what is energetic cord cutting and why is it important. So until now, I have done a lot of one-on-one calls with a lot of people when they say that my life is messed up. Like we take a lot of consultation calls about their relationship, about their personal life, about their career, money, health, so many things. And when I understand that what is happening in their life, the first thing that comes to my mind is I'll tell them कि मुझे तुम्हारी story सब समझ आ गई. Okay? The first thing that I want to do for you, the first ever step is I want to cut cords. I want to disconnect you from every other negativity that is possible. I'll give you a beautiful example of a girl who is in love with a boy for the last 7 years. In the last 7 years, this guy has only been giving her torture, 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 trouble, tears, and all that. But the girl is not able to leave him because every year she keeps hoping that he'll be better, he'll be better, he will be good, he will be good. And love is keeping her like that. Now is the time when she says that enough is enough. I have also crossed a particular age where I feel that I should get married. But what to do, ma'am? I can't let go of this man and his memories because it is 7 long years that I'm in love with him. Now I want to leave him, but I can't. What do we do? Immediately give me the answer in the chat. How many of you answer this? What do we do? Yes, cord cutting. Simple as that. As simple as cord cutting. If anybody that you meet in your life who says, I've had a past, I'm not able to move on, the step one that you do is cord cutting. If somebody is saying कि पता नहीं क्यों बहुत ज्यादा दृष्टि हुआ है, what do? पता नहीं मेरे घर को दृष्टि हुआ, मेरे रिलेशनशिप को दृष्टि हुआ, मेरे हैंडसम पति को दृष्टि हुआ है, मेरी सुंदर बीवी को दृष्टि हुआ है, मेरे बच्चों को दृष्टि हुआ, घर को नजर लग गया है. Cord cutting. It's cord cutting. Drishti. You just think about who are the people who must have done this. And even if you don't know who it is, you can cut cords. You can free yourself or your relatives, your loved ones from any kind of negative energy. If anybody comes to me and says, पता नहीं क्यों मुझे हमेशा thoughts आते हैं जो negative ज्यादा होते हैं. I don't know, सुबह शाम मुझे बहुत ज्यादा negative thoughts आते हैं. What do? Cord cutting. The moment somebody says, I don't know why there's a lot of some XYZ relative I feel is sending us negative energy. What do? We cut cords. Yeah. How much of freedom you feel the moment you cut cords. A lot of people have ended their relationship by just blocking on WhatsApp, blocking on Instagram, blocking on Facebook, and hoping that there will be a freedom. But that never happens. They mess up their energy much more and more because blocking is not healing. You need to cut cords in the right manner to actually free yourself energetically. I request all of you to take your questions in the end. I'm going to answer every question of yours in the end. Yeah, Sana Arora, I would like you to get in touch with Krupa immediately. Her number is 890. What is it? 890? Krupa 890? 406? 246. Yeah. So Sana Arora, you can get in touch with her. She's going to help you with whatever you have. So I request all of you to put the messages in the chat a little later so that we'll take all of your questions in the end. All right. So let's start by understanding that what are the different kinds of cords. Okay. The first kind of cords are the cords that you want to disconnect permanently. कि lifelong मुझे इनके साथ नहीं देखना, ना मिलना, ना सुनना, ना बात करना. That's number one. They are called as permanent 100% cord cutting. Write down 100% cord cutting is the first one. Second one is जो हमारे बहुत पास है. Congratulations, we have completed 100. The room is full. We don't have any more people in. And if there's anybody who leaves out, then you cannot join in back because somebody else will join in back. All right. So just wanted to inform you that in case you want to leave out, make sure that you are leaving out because you can't come back in again. All right, since we have 100 participants. Let's take a quick picture together with smiling faces. Hi, Dr. Mayuri. So good to see you. Hi, Vidya. Hi, Geeta Tripathi, Snehal, Jayashri. Hi, Jayashri, Ravi Kumar, Shweta, Sharma, Archana, Gitanjali, Alifia, Deepti, Tripathi, Sundaresh Sir, Mahalakshmi, Madhvi Poli, Neeta, Aparna, Usha. Anybody else? Twesha, Tanuja, Menaka. All right, let's get into a cheese. Debashri also. Yes, wonderful. And Krupa, one more photo, please. You disappeared? Yes. Wonderful. Sana, Aurora, Menaka, Avneet, Kavita, Padmini. You guys are hiding back. Stay there. It's nice to see you all. It's nice. It's nice to see your reactions. Even I love talking when I see something like this and like this happening. Yeah. So there are permanent cords which you want to cut cords permanently, and the second one are temporary cords, not temporary, partial cords. So let us say me and my husband, we have had good memories and we have had bad memories. So I feel no, मुझे अपनी relationship और पहले से अच्छा करना है. So what do? I will make a list. Okay, in year 1947 I fought like this, he spoke like this, I spoke like this, he did this, I did this, he did this, and all of those cords only I want to disconnect. When I disconnect myself, only the negative cords, what is left over? Come on, quickly message, reply. When I delete all the negative cords, what is left over between me and my husband now? The good cords, the positive cords. So how is the relationship going to be? Amazing. My relationship with my husband is going to bloom even more better. And hence, the other type of cord cutting is called as partial cord cutting, where we decide that we are only going to cut the negative cords. Now, there are another few kinds of cords that you need to learn, that when I am going to cut cords based on the person's situation, the current situation, we will be able to figure out कि कहाँ पे है वो cords. Is it around the lower body? Is it around the upper body? Is it around the heart chakra? Is it around the third eye chakra? Where are these cords, right? Based on what kind of relationship these people have shared, the person is experiencing what kind of things right now, we are able to figure out that kahan pe hai ye cords. So we need to identify those cords. And then we need to see कि किस तरह के cords हैं. Are they watery cords? Are they fleshy cords? Are they rope kind of cords? Are they metal kind of cords? Are they wooden kind of cords? Each and every cord has a different meaning. Like when you cut cords and you feel God, बहुत ज़्यादा खून आ रहा है, there is a meaning to it. The moment you cut cords and you say, oh my God, ये तो अच्छे से नहीं कट रहा है. It is so hard. It's so difficult to cut. It's a strong metal kind of a cord. There's a different meaning to it. So you need to understand कि हर cord का मतलब क्या है. Each and every cord has a different meaning, right? So you need to do that. They are invisible. Problem is, अगर आज हम एक दूसरे को देखते with the cords, it was so different. Each of you would look in different colors. Each of you would be looking in different kind of, okay, oh my God, this guy is like this girl is like this, इसके इतने cords है, इसके इतने cords है. Each one of us will be so much more different, right? Do you understand what I'm saying? Right? So it's just the problem that we can't see कि कहाँ है cords, कितने हैं cords, and that is why we feel कि I don't know why my life is so messed up. Every time you felt love, the emotion of love, there is a cord that is there, which is intense. These cords are very, very intense because the feeling of love is so intense, right? The moment you feel hate, even that is very intense. Hate is also a very, very strong emotion. Anger, guilt, attachment. You know the word attachment क्या है? Attachment. मैं अपने बच्चे को छोड़ के नहीं रह पा रही हूँ, मैं मम्मी पापा को छोड़ के नहीं रह पा रही हूँ, मैं मोबाइल को छोड़ के नहीं रह पा रही हूँ. Something is there which keeps pulling. I think today more than people attached to the people are attached to Instagram, are attached to YouTube, is so attached to the certain things that we feel कि I want to get back there. I want to get back there. That is attachment. That is so many cords that are connected. So each and every cord is trying to say that there is a connection, right? I will just share my screen so you can have a look at some things that I want to explain also. Yeah. So when a person has heart chakra, cords वहां पे तो emotional cords, sacral chakra, sexual cords, root chakra, fear cords. Like that, there is a different kinds of cord based on what emotions they are doing. So what do we do? Just cut the cords. Not all cords are healthy, right? So let us say कि when you meet a person and you come back, you feel, I don't know why I am feeling like so drained. What is the word that you use? Is I'm feeling very drained. I'm feeling like I'm pulled, which is nothing but drained energy. I'll give you an example. अगर एक bird fly कर रही है और ऐसे लगता है कि मैंने तो बहुत प्रैक्टिस किया है, मैं बहुत आसानी से फ्लाई करूंगी, but the moment the bird starts flying, it notices it is finding it difficult to fly. It is simply because there are stones that are attached to its legs. If there are stones that are tied to a bird's legs, how does it fly? With great difficulty it flies. It says that I'm putting double energy, I'm putting triple energy to fly, and after small distance I'm feeling tired. That is what happens. Even we are attached to so much of negativity over a period of time that छोटी छोटी चीज है. कप चाय बनाने के लिए हमको लगता है कोई बना दे हमारे लिए चाय, हमसे नहीं बन रही. Why? So much of draining energy is there. And that is why it's very essential for you to stop connecting to any person who is draining your energy. Another reason why you should do cord cutting is if you feel I'm always stuck in the past. मैं नई कंपनी में आई हूं, पता नहीं मेरा दिमाग पुराने कंपनी में ही रहता है. इफ यू आर इमोशनली रिएक्टिव, किसी ने थोड़ा कुछ बोला, आपको फट से गुस्सा आ गया, सेकेंड्स में गुस्सा आ गया. दिस इज कॉल्ड इमोशनली इंस्टेंटली रिएक्टिव. You can't take a no. You can't take any answer that your child is giving. Anything where you are not able to have any kind of patience. Phat, 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 you are answering. It's nothing but you need to cut cords. It's high time. कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपको कॉर्ड कटिंग करना है? If you're emotionally reactive, तुमने कुछ बोल दिया, मुझे रोना आ रहा है. And the person will cry, cry, cry. That is called emotionally reactive. Then you see repeated patterns, different types of repeated patterns. पहले कंपनी में गई, वहां पे भी बॉस का टॉर्चर, सेकंड कंपनी में भी बॉस का टॉर्चर, थर्ड कंपनी में भी बॉस का टॉर्चर, फर्स्ट बॉयफ्रेंड, सेकंड बॉयफ्रेंड, थर्ड बॉयफ्रेंड, ऑल आर टॉक्सिक, फोर्थ बॉयफ्रेंड, आई एम नाउ न्यूली इनटू a relationship, that is also toxic. Like that, I got 10,000 salary, I was not able to save. 50,000 salary, I was not able to save. 1 lakh salary, I'm not able to save. It's a repeated pattern. Example, blocked abundance. If somebody feels, कि कुछ भी करो, I'm not able to be happy, it is a sign that you need to cut cords. Yeah. And then if you're feeling like, pata nahi kyun I'm not able to manifest, it's time to cut cords. I'm not able to heal, it's time to cut cords. I'm not able to attract the right people in my life, it's time to cut cords. Now let me show you what are the benefits of cord cutting. You need to know कि what happens अगर आप cord cutting करते हो. नंबर वन, when cords are released, जैसे ही आप cord cutting करते हो, जैसे ही आपको समझ आता है भाई मेरे लाइफ में बहुत सारी एनर्जीज मिक्स हो गई है, मुझे अब नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि एक्चुअली व्हाट डू आई लाइक. पहले आई यूज टू मेक माई ओन डिसीजंस, नाउ आई एम नॉट एबल टू मेक माई डिसीजन, आई एम फीलिंग सो डिपेंडेंट ऑन अनदर पर्सन. इज व्हेन यू आर मिक्सड अप विद कॉर्ड्स, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग लाइटर. Second thing is emotional triggers reduce. राइट, वट एवर यू यूज टू फील कि ऐसे देखने से मुझे इरिटेशन होता है, वो देखने से इरिटेशन होता है. आई गिव यू वन वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एग्जाम्पल. जिसके पास रिलेशनशिप में प्रॉब्लम चल रहा होता है, द मोमेंट दे सी समवन ऑन इंस्टाग्राम हु इज सो लवी डवी हैप्पी, दे स्टार्ट गेटिंग इरिटेटेड कि मेरा पति क्यों नहीं ऐसा है. दिस इज नथिंग बट अ इमोशनल ट्रिगर, एंड जस्ट दैट वन थिंग कैन switch off their mood. How many of you think this is so true? That example that I gave can be just this, कि किसी का बच्चा अच्छा निकला जो मोबाइल नहीं देखता और पढ़ाई अच्छा करता है, you are like emotionally triggered and you start shouting at your child, तुम ऐसे हो, तुम वैसे हो, तुम ऐसे हो, तुम वैसे हो. Right? Because there's so much of triggers that are fixed inside you that you can just get disturbed like this. Then obsessive thinking can start reducing. Sleep will improve. Why will sleep improve? All kachra is getting cleaned. Unwanted cords are getting disconnected. Confidence will increase. Manifestation will speed up. You stop attracting the same toxic pattern. Your aura becomes super strong. Why does aura become strong? Simple. जो energy hygiene के मैंने बारे में बोला, आपकी energy है अच्छी, आपको हमेशा लगता है I am very good, My energy is very good. I am doing so many etc 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 manifestation techniques. I'm doing healing techniques, but you don't know that so many unwanted cords are there. The moment you cut cords, your aura becomes super strong, right? Your boundaries improve and you reclaim your power back. It's not about hatred, it's about energetic sovereignty. I'll tell you what it means. Learn one very beautiful thing. सोचो मेरे पास 1 करोड़ रुपए है और 1 करोड़ रुपए मैंने क्या किया. आई मेट 200 people and I kept giving these 200 people every other day money, and I kept hoping that these people will love me, these people will take care of me, and they will really get attracted to me. At one point I feel कि नहीं, they're not doing what I actually want. So I look at my purse now. My purse is empty. I don't have any more money. My money is all distributed. And now I feel, God, मेरे पास तो पैसे ही नहीं. My confidence is low. Everything is over. Then one day I realize कि now बस मैंने दिया था कुछ काम करने के लिए, अब वो हुआ नहीं. Go to person number 1. Give me my money back. I want my money back. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then again I see my crore rupees back. And I say, wow, I feel better. Our energy is also like that. हमने कभी कभी ऐसे जगह लगाया है, ऐसे लोगों पे लगाया है, अपना सर फोड़ फोड़ के लगाया है कि हमको लगता है कि अपना लाइफ का इतना साल इस पे डाल दिया, लेकिन कुछ हुआ नहीं. आई सी सो मेनी स्माइल्स ऑन द स्क्रीन्स. And those of you hiding behind the screen, can I see your smiles too? How many of you feel this is so true? That हमने बॉस को इम्प्रेस कराने के लिए आधी जिंदगी डाल दी, बॉस तो थोड़ा भी नहीं इम्प्रेस हुआ. अपने कोलीग पे डाला, वहां पे इम्प्रेशन नहीं हुआ. फ्रेंड्स पे डाला, पति पे डाला, बीवी पे डाला, बच्चों पे डाला, सास पे डाला. सास के पैर भी दबाए, तब भी मेरी सास मुझे नहीं पसंद करती. ओ, somebody saying so true. या मैंने अपनी किडनी लिवर हार्ट भी दे दिया, तब भी इनको नहीं लगता कि इसने कुछ किया. देर इज नो सेंस ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन. या इट्स टाइम टू टेक योर एनर्जी बैक. You need to now think and understand that wasting your energy and watering a plastic plant is never going to give you fruits. Think for a minute what you have done with your beautiful energy. If you would have put that energy in the right direction, you would have a Mercedes Benz now. Yeah, you might have been able to work better, maybe look better, do hundreds of things. Yeah, it could be your money, it could be your happiness, it could be your health. One man is sitting like this. कि अभी समझ आया मुझे कि मैंने कितना कहाँ डाला. That's so true actually. Yeah. The moment you realize that, nahi, ab bas, I claim my energy back. I want all of you to put in the chat box, those who feel that I have done this mistake in the past. I've been watering and watering and watering कि एक दिन इस झाड़ से एक फूल आएगा, एक फल आएगा, और मैं ये करते जा रही हूँ, धूप दिखा रही हूँ, फर्टिलाइजर डाल रही हूँ. अब समझ आया कि प्लांट तो रियल था ही नहीं, वो तो प्लास्टिक का प्लांट था. ये कभी नहीं होने वाला. And now you realize I take my energy back. Type in the chat, I claim my energy back if you say that this is so true. I take back my energy from every place that I put unnecessarily. The moment you claim that energy back, you start feeling energetic. Jayashri will take this later, the questions later, please. Type in the chat box, I claim my energy back. This is a message that you are putting in the universe that I don't want any of my energy that I wasted until now. I take it back. I better use it in doing something better, right? अभी जाके वो एनर्जी जिम में डालूंगी तो कम से कम 10 kg कम हो जाएगा. उस एनर्जी जो जाके कुछ तो करूंगी, आई विल मेक समथिंग ब्यूटिफुल आउट ऑफ दैट एनर्जी, राइट? दैट्स सो ट्रू. Kudos to each one of you who said, I want to take my energy back, because it's time you realized that, you have actually wasted a lot of your energy here and there, right? So it's about not hating another person. It's about loving yourself way better. Now, what are the kind of, give you quick examples of positive and negative chords, okay? Whenever you have been in love with anybody, healthy bonding, parent-child protection, soul-aligned partners, spiritual guidance, These are positive chords. The moment you meet, like for me, one of them is my husband, my mother, my father, my son, and my sister. The moment I am around these people, everything feels nourishing, empowering, safe, and expansive. मेरी बहन से कुछ बात करने से पहले मुझे नहीं सोचना पड़ता कि ये क्या बोलने वाली है, ये क्या सोचने वाली है. That's the kind of safe feeling you get when you're with the right people. So we don't need to cut cords with any of these people. We just need to strengthen these bonds. But then there are नेगेटिव कॉर्ड्स. जिन लोगों ने हमें ट्रॉमा दिया है, जिन लोगों ने कहा कुछ और सोचा कुछ और समझा कुछ और एक्चुअली मीन किया कुछ, दिस इज कॉल्ड मैन्युपुलेटिव पीपल. द मोमेंट दीज पीपल टॉक वी कीप थिंकिंग ये सच है ये झूठ है. यू हैव टू टेक अ ब्रेक एंड थिंक कि क्या बोल रही हैं, ये सच है या झूठ है. दे आर वेरी कंट्रोलिंग. They make you feel scared, you feel guilty, you're obsessed about things. There's a lot of dependency, there's toxic relationship, past life karmic ties. These energies are very draining, they're heavy, they're sticky, they're pulling, and they're exhausting. I'll give you a very strong example of something like that, which is a controlling energy, right? Um, if a husband wants to give wife some money, how should they actually give? Because it is their wife that chalo ye paise le lo. But if there is a iota of controlling, okay, what do? You know, okay, you go to a place, send me the scanner, send me your location, tell me what you're spending, for what you're spending, and I will transfer only that much. This is controlling nature. Tell me why your phone is busy. Tell me what you're talking, who you're inviting, where you're going, everything. That's called controlling nature. If you're living in that kind of a relationship for a really long time, what happens? Draining energy. But the moment you feel the sense of freedom, what happens is you can bloom a lot. And hence, freedom is one of the most important thing, whether it's from a person or from an energy. Freedom is a very, very beautiful thing, right? So you understood positive chords and negative chords? Yeah. So, you understood the different kinds of chords. There are thorny chords, metallic chords, there are watery chords, bleeding chords. Yeah, we will be able to understand that what chord is about what. Now, today, we're not here, to understand all this and say that I want to remove people from my life. We are here to remove energetic dependency. We are here so that we don't hate anybody. We are here so that we can reclaim our energy back. Yeah, because healing definitely doesn't always mean कि मुझे इसको ठीक करना है, उसे ठीक करना है, इसे ठीक करना है. It just means that मुझे अपने आप को ठीक करना है. I want my energy back. And then if you learn cord cutting in the right manner, you will actually master the skill, right? Where you feel that I'm just thinking about people who have hurt me, and then I'm feeling anxious, I'm feeling exhausted, I'm feeling drained. I'm giving you examples where our energy gets trapped. Toxic relationships, even after moving on, you feel emotionally stuck. I want you to identify if these are the things that you have invested your a lot of energy in, right? Where your energy is holding back. You just can't stop thinking about people, you feel draining energy, you can't move on. Money. No matter how hard you try, you're not able to fix your money issue, financial instability, guilty about success or financial growth. जैसे ही किसी ने बोला कि I am successful, you start feeling कि I don't know मुझ में क्या problem है, right? Emotional weight, your heart feels heavy, you hesitate to speak. Your value is tied to people saying that, you're good means you feel good. If they are not saying good, then you don't feel good. Always you feel that I'm not enough. Decisions based on fear, right? Chasing the dreams all the time and then failing, and fear of failing also. All these are emotional weight, right? Are you understanding what I'm trying to tell you? That where does our energy go? Yeah. If you have understood, then, there must be a solution to all of this. The problem is that as long as it's just working on, outside little things, it's okay. The moment it hits our health, that's when the real problem begins. And when does anything work on our health? When हमारे पंच कोशा में वो affect हो जाता है, हमारे कोशास में, हमारे चक्रास में, हमारे नाड़ीज imbalance हो जाते हैं. Feminine and the masculine. How many of you are working woman? Type W in the chat box. Working woman. Type W. Yeah. All of you who are working woman, working man. Yeah, I understand. Don't you think because you are a working woman, slowly you have started thinking like a man, you've become bold like a man, you've become confident like a man, and a lot of things have started thinking like a man. Men think differently, men behave differently, men live differently, women live differently. But because of that energy of working, because generally that is the energy of a man providing, but then woman starts earning, something within her changes. There is an imbalance, right? The same with if there are men, if they're sitting at home, if they're sitting at home for 1 day 2 day, it's okay, but if they're sitting at home for a long time, they start getting the feminine energy. I'll give you a beautiful example. Men who are working all their life, they never get into gossip. How many of you agree men don't gossip much? Majority of them. The moment they retire, first year no gossip, second year gossip starts. The moment they retire, first time in their life they will see what the neighbor is doing, what this auntie is doing, why are they doing like this, why are they doing like that. Gossip starts. This is a feminine energy. That's because the man is sitting at home after retirement. They don't go much outside. I'm giving an example. If they're sitting at home, the same way any other man also who is not working, retirement nahi bhi hua, काम नहीं है, घर पे बैठे हैं, what they will start, yeah, इधर उधर की बातें, खाना क्यों नहीं बना, घर ऐसा क्यों है, वो ऐसी क्यों है, वो ऐसा क्यों है. All of this will start. This is imbalance in the masculine and the feminine. That needs to be corrected. If that is corrected, a lot will be sorted. Our panchakoshas will be affected. If that is sorted, a lot will be affected. Our nadis have to be very aligned and balanced. Only then. We have two types of energies, the nadis, ida and the pingala. Ida is the feminine and Pingala is the masculine. Like a person like me, I've been working for the last 20 years. My Pingala is a little more higher. Obviously, it's better than the Pingala, and hence there is an imbalance. What I do now is with awareness, I want to balance my feminine and masculine energy. There is a possibility of doing it. The moment I balance my feminine and masculine, I can attract amazing life. My panchakoshas in the last 40 years could be affected with so many things. I cut cords, clean, my energy hygiene happens. I can attract abundance. My seven chakras could be affected, and then I could be feeling like why my relationship is messed up, why my money is messed up, why I'm having a headache, I'm having a hair fall, why I'm having health problems. I clean my chakras, a lot can improve, right? All of this is possible only when I have the right tools to do all of this, right? Yin and yang energy, absolutely. It's called the Ida and the Pingala in the names of the nadis. It's called the yin and the yang and the Chinese, right? And it's called the Shiva and the Shakti. The yantra which is there behind me is the Shri yantra. It has the Shiva and the Shakti triangles intersected, and it's just the Shiva and the Shakti energy. Shiva is the male, Shakti is the energy of the female. If there is an imbalance, life is also imbalanced. It's a very important to balance all of that. What actually happens जब हमारे बॉडी में नेगेटिविटी होता है, apart from the energy being affected, there is inflammation in the body. Inflammation in the body can cause a lot of toxicity. Because of toxicity, for a long time, it creates diseases. Disease, right? The moment you cut cords, the moment you have a tool to reduce your inflammation, toxicity will start cleaning up, energy hygiene happens, physical body starts getting better, getting better and better and better. Your health starts improving. There is a proof that even big medical conditions have got sorted once you have started doing the right, using the right tools to reduce the inflammation, to reduce the toxicity in the body, right? And hence, when we talk about cord cutting, it is not just about the energetic cord cutting, but it's also working on your physical health, mental health, emotional health, bliss health. Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, right? We know Vijnanamaya Kosha and Anandamaya Kosha. All of these are different sheets that we have, and each of them have a particular role to play in our life. And that is why we need the right tools that can help us balance all of this. Also, when we talk about our energy, there are two kinds of aura that we have. All right, just giving you a little insight. One is the inside aura, just around our body, but it's a very small, thin layer around us, our body. And then there is a thick layer around that aura. The inside aura is associated to what I think, what I feel, what I am doing, what I am vibrating. And the outside aura is what I've picked up from people, from places, from others. When I look in the mirror and say, I am not looking beautiful, my inner aura is affected. But if there are 10 people outside who say, Madhura, you're not looking beautiful, my outer aura is affected. Did you get it? Right? So everything is continuously changing. But if you know how you can clean your aura, disconnect yourself from every negativity, live a hygienic, energy hygienic life, your life will be different. Got some idea? It's high time you claim your energy back. It's high time you cut cords. It's high time you free yourself from all that unwanted energy. And it's high time that you live the life that you design. How many of you agree with what I'm saying? Type agree if you think this is so true and this is exactly what I wanted. What is Preeti Rai asking? How do we get to know our Ida and Pingla, Nadi and Koshas and Chakra balanced or not led? And how do we get rid of it? Yes, sweetheart, I'm here to tell you that only. This entire session is to give you insight into that only. Yeah. And that is why you need to learn how to cut cords, right? And this is not just a simple cord cutting, it is a professional cord cutting. Once you learn how to cut cords, how to free yourself from unwanted cords, you are actually living a life that you design what kind of energy you want. Those of you who feel that, yes, I want to learn cord cutting, can I do it for my sister, daughter as well? Yes, you can do it to anybody. Strotaswini, you can do it to anybody. Absolutely. Those of you who feel I want to learn cord cutting, I want to be a certified cord cutting healer. I want to do cord cutting for myself. I want to work on myself. I want to heal myself. Then I want to do cord cutting for my entire family. Then I want to do cord cutting to my clients. Then I want to teach cord cutting. And then I want to make a career out of this. And then I want to make a lot of money. I want to make a lot of name. I want to make a lot of fame. I'm going to introduce you to my cord cutting certification program. Those of you are interested to learn that, stay back because I'm going to give you the entire curriculum of how we have planned this. And those of you who feel that I got a lot of insight, this was simply so good. Thank you so much. This is simply healing yourself. Absolutely, Dr. Bela Mohan. Absolutely, this is healing yourself in a very, very beautiful form. I'm so lucky that I'm in a position where I have learned all this, worked on my life, felt so free, understood the meaning of feeling free, and then helped a lot of people with this and seen that magic. And now I'm on the journey of teaching a lot of people all these things. We've finished already one batch of cord cutting. We had around 35 people in the previous batch. It was a beautiful experience. Those of you who now want to know that you want to also learn, I'll just give you a quick introduction. This beautiful cord cutting. You want to learn now? How many of you want to learn? You want to learn, you want to heal yourself, you want to teach others, you want to heal others. Yeah? You want to help yourself, you want to help others, you want to take this up as a career, you want to certify yourself as a cord cutting healer. Correct? If you are into healing and if you have not learned cord cutting, you have actually missed out on something very big. Because, I always, Jagdish says, I've learned with you. Fantastic. Because, I'll tell you a lot. If you are a Reiki healer, pranic healer, or any healer, if you're jumping into any healing without cutting cords, without removing the negativity, you have done something really wrong. Step one is always cord cutting. Free that person from everything that's negative. पहले झाड़ू पोछा करो घर पे, फिर डेकोरेशन करो. आप क्या करते हो? पहले आते ही डेकोरेशन करने लगते हो, फिर सोचते हो पता नहीं क्यों मेरा घर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, क्योंकि ऐसे ही कचरा रखा है और उसके ऊपर डेकोरेशन कर रहे हो. The moment you realize that this is more important than anything else, you need to first clean your energy, clean unwanted people, clean unwanted thoughts, feelings, places, energy, everything. That's where magic starts to happen. Introducing my beautiful cord cutting course to each one of you. This is a 6 weeks course. Okay. And the curriculum this is, I'm not giving you week by week what is there. I want to give you what is included in this course. Okay. It's a cord cutting introduction where you understand everything about different kinds of cords. What are watery cords? What are rope cords? How to do the cord cutting? When to do the cord cutting? How to do the cord cutting? What are the different kind of methods that we can do? All of this is there in the introduction. The second is the benefits and impact. जैसे ही हम कॉर्ड कटिंग करते हैं तो उससे बेनिफिट क्या होता है और इम्पैक्ट क्या होता है, यू विल बी लर्निंग इन डिटेल. Like you will be understanding even bits by bits about the impact. Types of chords and concepts, like there are different kinds of chord and each of them have a concept. So you know how many days you need to do the chord cutting, you know which chakra you need to do the chord cutting. Suppose if it's a rope chord, how you do it. If it's a watery chord, what is the interpretation. Cord cutting symbol and healing. So whatever I'm teaching you is something called as the authenticated cord cutting. This is taught to us by Dr. Seniji, S.K. Seniji. So the story of this person is he was a normal person like any of us, and he was a army man. And once he finished with his work, he had become a monk. When he became a monk, he learned a lot of beautiful things in the spiritual world. And then he realized that, oh my God, I have not learned all of this all these years, and now I'm learning all of this. This is so useful. I wish I can use this and help a lot of people. I want to start helping a lot of people with this knowledge. And then came a time he said that let me teach this to people. And that's how he came to this energetic cord cutting. This is a ancient method of freeing yourself from any negativity, which was introduced by Mr. S.K. Seni. He's the founder of cord cutting. So we will be learning the cord cutting symbol. You will be getting attunement to the cord cutting symbol. After that, you will be using the cord cutting symbol. Brahmanadi activation. So here we have a Brahmanadi. We have the Ida, we have the Pingala, we have the Sushumna. These are the three nadis. But apart from that, there are two chakras over here between the third eye and the Sahasrara, which is called as the Trikuti and the Brikuti here. That's the Brahmanadi. How do you activate that and how do you heal that? That is what we'll be learning. Here, this will be reducing the toxicity in our body. This will be reducing the inflammation in our body. And just by doing this, you can get rid of so many diseases in the body. So this you can do it to yourself first, fill your cup, then heal others, and then teach a lot of people. Once you heal a lot of people and teach a lot of people, you as a healer are doing a great job. So this is not only removing the negativity, but it's also healing the physical, person. Then we have the Ida Pingala healing. You balance your left and the right nadis. You also balance your feminine and the masculine, the Shiva and the Shakti, the yin and the yang energy. Also, here in this particular point, you are healing your pancha koshas. All the five koshas, you are healing the five senses that we have. Each and every sense start getting better. So our clair powers get better. So you as a healer, if you feel that, I don't know why when people say red ko visualize karo, mujhe red dikhta hi nahi. It is because you do not have enough clair power. So your clair powers start improving. So Ida Pingala healing will balance your left and right nadis and you feel so much more powerful. Attunement to all these symbols, this is going to be live attunement. You will be practicing and how to take the journey forward as a healer you will be getting. So these two sessions are going to be purely live with me where you clear your doubts, you get your attunement, you will learn to practice these symbols and you will know how to take this journey forward. Then you will learn something beautiful called as candle cord cutting. So how to use candles, what is the meaning of the flame, what is the meaning of the cord, what is the meaning of the candle melting. I want to give a few examples over here. I want to show you some examples from our previous batches. Give me a minute. Yes. Are you able to see the screen, Alifia, Gitanjali? Yes. So this is a few glimpses of how we do the candle cord cutting. One of them is you and one of them is the other person. Look at this example. One candle and the other candle, they both are actually the same. And they are of the same size, the same brand, the same quality, but one of them is burning like this and one of them is burning like this. How many of you feel कि हाँ मेरा एक relationship है चाहे वो बच्चे के साथ है, माँ बाप के साथ है, सास ससुर के साथ है, पति के साथ है, दिस इज हाउ माई रिलेशनशिप इज। दूसरा बंदा शांत है और मैं जले जा रही हूँ। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील दिस इज माई स्टोरी? गिव मी यस इन द chat that I have literally burned myself in this relationship, but the other person is unaffected. I have given my heart, blood, and soul to this, but nothing has happened. Yeah. So if you see an interpretation like this is exactly how it gives you a beautiful insight into this. Okay. See the same candle, that side how it's melting, and this side how it's melting. Look at the same candle, same time they have lit it. One is totally melted and one is still there. This is a beautiful example where both of them are equal. This is an example. The same time, same, everything is same. But look, one candle is melted, one is not. And in spite of the whole candle being burnt, the cord is not cut. Which means that कितना strong ये bond है कि इतना ज़्यादा इस energy connected है कि किसी को कुछ हुआ तो दूसरा भी सच में affected हो जाएगा. Look at this. Although you put fire, also the cord is a cotton one. It is not burnt. It is not burnt, and in fact, after a while, this candle got off. Yeah, this is another example. This is another example, and this is another example. And I want you to have a look at this. How many of you can see that right side candle में कुछ दिख रहा है? कोई इंसान दिख रहा है? Give me yes in the chat box if you can feel a figure like a person in that flame. Yeah. You can see. Now I'll show you a magic that the candle, when it got melted, this is how it was, which also was similar to how the flame was. So this is an indication of something, absolutely something. And look at this. This is a beautiful example where there were two candles, they turned into three. And the third candle, which is in the middle, actually is created by the melting. It cut the another candle. So 100% this is a significance which you need to learn. What does each of these mean? Look at this. This was burning until now the cord is not cut, it is not burnt. And in the last minute, जब 1 मिनट या 2 मिनट और बाकी था, तब जाके cord कटी है. लेकिन ऊपर से नीचे आने तक कैंडल नीचे भी आई है, नहीं कट हुआ है. जैसे ही पूरा नीचे आया, the last 1 or 2 minutes, it's burnt and disconnected. So this is a beautiful example. If you see, there is no residue. Candle का wax भी नहीं दिखेगा आपको, fire भी नहीं दिखेगा, candle का cord पूरा जल गया है. So like this, you will be learning different kinds of interpretation of candles, which you can absolutely do for your clients, which is very, very essential. Right? And then you will understand also, okay, what is happening between the two. And then you will learn angel cord cutting, how you can connect to angels and cut cords. And then you will learn crystal cord cutting. And then you will learn energetic scissor and how do you cut cords in the most simplest manner. All of this you will be learning over a period of 6 weeks, right? The absolutely 6 weeks. Integration of symbols and daily use and healing. You will be getting certification for practice and for teaching. After doing this course, you are eligible to heal another person. You are eligible to teach another person, right? So you get that. And now the 15th point, what I'm going to give is the most powerful one. You will get my ready PDF, which you can use and start teaching anybody right from the day one, which is without any watermark. So right away, I will be giving you the PDF, which I use for my students, and that PDF you can use for your students when you want to teach anybody. So your journey starts immediately. The cord cutting certification course, generally, I mean, I'm giving you the price which is there in the market, which not just me, I'm sure you guys also surf a lot. What are the other people doing? What are their packages? What are their courses? What are their prices? Is 100% around 50,000 rupees. That's what is the course fee that generally a lot of healers are doing. And today I have it for just 14,999. You get the entire 3 symbols attunement. You get the cord cutting healing symbol. You get the Brahmanadi healing symbol. You get the Ida Pingla healing symbol. You get the candle cord cutting. You get the angel cord cutting. You get the crystal cord cutting. You get the energetic scissor cord cutting. And you learn everything about how to heal the energy, how to heal the cut the cords, and how to balance your panchakoshas, how to balance your pancha senses, five senses, how to remove the toxicity. All of this in this particular course only. You will be getting the instant access right away as soon as you enroll. You will be getting live attunement. This is a self-paced learning, so you can take your own sweet time to learn it. You will have the access with you for lifetime. You can heal others, you can heal yourself, and you can teach others. This is what you can do with this particular course. All of this is included in this particular course, and you can pay an advance of 999 if you want this at this price right now, because that's what we are going to give you. The price is 14,999. You need to pay. Krupa, can you please share the Razorpay link? So I'm sharing a link. You need to pay 999 as an advance if you want this course. And in case you pay in full today, then you will be getting a cord cutting kit delivered to your house. And you will be getting a personal session of cord cutting with me if you are doing the full payment, right? All right. Yes, Gitika, it's the same that's available on the app. Absolutely. So those of you who really want this course, you want to heal yourself, you can take this. You want to heal others, you can take this. You want to teach others, you want to take this up as a career, you want to call yourself as a cord cutting healer. Absolutely, it is possible at 14,999. We do have two options that you want to pay in full at one shot, or you can take EMIs. And does it help for money challenges? Absolutely, Preeti. Can this help cut black magic too? Yes. Can client be cured remotely? Yes. When on the class is going to start? As soon as you enroll, you will be getting the access to the entire course. Are you going to do some cord cutting today? I'm going to give you a lot of insight into how we do it. That's what we did today. But if you really want to learn, you will be able to learn it through the course. How much is the energy exchange of the session with you? It's included in this. It's free. Installment details is you have to take a Bajaj loan. We have a tie-up where you don't have to pay the down payment, or you don't have to pay the interest. We bear the interest. You get a 6 months EMI, 2,500 every month. Is it going to be Preeti? You will be getting two live classes, one of them for attunement, one of them for practice and doubt session. And anybody who is a part of ECH, you will be there every week with me. So you will get a lot of, live sessions otherwise also. What if someone doesn't want to have deep knowledge about chakras? Can that person do cord cutting? It's always good to have a knowledge about chakras, but I've given quite a lot of knowledge about which chakra has what emotion, so you can do it using that. How much time will be given to us for the rest of the money payment? Sana, about a week. You take about a week's time, arrange the money, you can pay, and then you can. Is it the same one on the app? Yes. Yes, Alifia, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, the one that we've taken, we were given 5 of your courses when we enrolled for
No,
is
no,
it
this
the
is
same
different.
one?
No, no, no. That's called as karma and cord cutting. This is called as energetic cord cutting. This is a certified course which has the Brahmanadi activation, cord cutting symbol, Ida Pingala,
Okay.
candle cord cutting, and a lot of other things that are there in
So
this.
I think even after that course, there's a certificate that pops up, but it's not the same thing.
It's totally different. I mean, this is way, way, way too different. Totally different. The energy of this, you have no idea how powerful this symbol is. Sometimes I heal people just using this one symbol only, and that's enough for them to free themselves.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So those of you who would like but access milega in installments, Amita, no, access मिलेगा only after complete payment. लेकिन installments में अगर आप बजाज के साथ ले रहे हो, then you get the instant access right now. Right now you take the complete access, you pay to Bajaj 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Absolutely. Absolutely. Oh, yes. Sana, it's absolutely possible only after you enroll with 999. Then my team will get in touch with you and help you for the EMIs. Geetanjali, would you like to share your experience with cord cutting? Yes. So we have someone who has done the course with us. Um, Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I have done many healing courses, but this energetic cord cutting is such a wonderful experience when you learn, when you go through, when you start cutting cords, you become healthy. You know, ma'am, I was 49 kg, but when I started doing cord cutting, I gained 2.5 kg.
You wanted to game?
No, I was on weaker side. Like I was getting drained out,
Yeah.
very easily tired. So and I used to get triggers very fast
Hmm.
with my family members, my son, my father, or some. But later, after the cord cutting course, I'm so conscious and mindful that whenever it happens, I stay. I I like ask myself, is that the answer I should give them? And so I started working with my mind now. So it's
Okay.
such a wonderful blessings. I should say everybody should be blessed with this course.
Yes.
That's the thing, and I'm really grateful throughout my life.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Menaka, unmute yourself.
Namaste, ma'am. I
Namaste.
have paid advance
Okay.
triple nine.
Advance. All right.
So this is the first week, no little full payment can't. So I want kit also, ma'am. So give some time after 5th or 10th, within 10th I will pay.
See, you talk to Krupa. She'll get in touch with you,
Right.
right? So she
Yes,
will
yes,
talk to
yes.
you right away after this class and she'll give you the details.
Okay. Course will daily or weekly
So
one
you
or
will
two,
get
ma'am.
the instant access and then you will get the live attunement and live doubt clearing and live practice.
Oh, this
The course will-
recording course you will
Yes,
say.
you will get instant access immediately.
Recorded course, ma'am.
Yes.
Recorded course.
Recorded course with live attunement, with live practice and live doubt clearing. And yeah, we meet every week for ECH. So you are there in ECH?
ECH.
ECH is a community which is for 1,000 rupees for 1 year
No,
subscription.
no. I still not paid for that the
Okay, no
community.
problem.
I took Ganesha Reiki and Reiki 1 and 2 and the 3 and 4
Okay.
master level.
Okay.
I want to complete that after I will take that.
Yes.
So card cutting is I want needed.
Yes.
So I will come.
Done.
I mean, it is not in Kannada.
If you
I
arrange
will.
5-6 people, no, I will do a special class for you in Kannada.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's difficult to find.
After certification, I will do in Kannada for so many.
Yeah.
I think waiting. I think.
Yes, do like that. Do like that.
Yes. Sir,
Okay.
I have interest to super wheeler also. I checked in your course detail.
Huh.
Last one is there. Okay, I will talk with Krupa ma'am.
Krupa, she'll help.
What is the procedure? What
Yes,
I will take some time, 6 months. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Absolutely. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Anjali, if you don't want to take the course, but you want a cord cutting session with me, you can book a one-on-one call with me, and I'll help you with the cord cutting. Yes, Prabrit, you're right. See, I will tell you, it is a pre-recorded course which you will get access to, but you will get a live attunement to the 3 symbols and you will get live practice session with me and you will get live doubt sessions with me. All right. So those live sessions can be there. Can I deposit cash into account? Yes, Amita, you can deposit the rest of the cash into the account. For now, you need to do 999 online. Yeah. Geetika, you can unmute yourself.
हेलो मैम, सबसे पहले तो बहुत सारी बड़ी वाली नमस्ते और प्रणाम।
Pranam.
Being a very nice गुरु। अच्छा, मुझे ये पूछना था, आपका जो एप्लीकेशन पे है कोर्स वो और ये कोर्स सेम है, ओनली द डिफरेंस इज 10,000 रुपीज
Yes.
फीस का। बाकी सब उसमें भी सेम रहेगा? आप लाइव
आप
अटेनमेंट
अगर
दोगे?
कभी भी मर्जी से लोगे तो वो 25 होगा, अभी लोगे तो 15 का होगा।
तो पहले ना मैंने बहुत सारे कोर्स खरीद लिए, पहले उनको एक बार वाइंड अप कर लूं। मुझे लगा कोई एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल है तो वो, अदरवाइज मैं इसको बजाज फाइनेंस से पे करके रख लेती हूँ। मुझे बड़ा फील किया ये कोर्स। अच्छा, एंड सेकंड थिंग, इफ आई वांट कि कॉर्ड कटिंग आप करो, ठीक है, और मैं वो 999 वाला आपका 1-to-1 सेशन कराऊं, तो दैट इज द सेशन फॉर कॉर्ड कटिंग या दैट इज फॉर कंसल्टेशन?
It's only for consultation.
गॉट इट।
Yeah.
And how about the pricing of cord cutting session?
So once I have a session with anybody to understand what is the problem, I will be able to guide you that what is it that we do later. And then I can tell you what are the prices.
Only then you will be able to tell me the pricing as per the problem,
Yeah.
how old the problem is, and then so on.
How
ठीक है,
intense the
just
problem is and all of that. Yeah.
ठीक है, but either I can go with the Bajaj or I'll wisely first finish all the courses and then I'll look into jump into this one. Thank you
Absolutely.
so much for being wonderful host.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank-
Sundaresh sir, unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, sir.
Long time no see.
Yes, yes, yes.
I've messaged you. I'll be talking to Krupa tomorrow.
Yeah. All right. Done. Okay, sir.
And so these are basically, as you told, the first one is a live attunement. And what is two live classes you told? One is the live attunement, and the second one is what?
Practice and doubt sessions, they will always be going on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll talk to her tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Thank you.
So Balaji, you can get in touch with Krupa. Can you please put your number, Krupa? Balaji, you can get in touch with Krupa for the same. Sharma, unmute yourself. Yeah. Unmute yourself.
Hi,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, as I told, I'm a tarot card reader, so I'll be getting more clients who are having a lot of black energies with them. Black
Yes.
energy, I mean magic.
Yes.
So, is this really helpful for them to remove the
See, if we are
one
healers
who's
who are talking,
majorly affected?
yeah. So we clients, we healers, we get in touch with clients on a daily basis. For us, cord cutting is mandatory. Like my morning routine, may one small portion is kept exclusively for cord cutting. So you should.
Okay, so this is going to be helpful in my professional as
Absolutely.
well.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, what is this attunement means?
Attunement means transferring the energy of certain symbols from the guru to the student. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Unmute yourself. Yes, you can. Unmute yourself, Sharma.
So, if I go through Bajaj also, will I get the kit?
Yeah, if you paid today, you will get the kit. It'll be delivered to your house.
Thank you.
Yeah. Jayashree Ravi Kumar, unmute yourself.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ನನಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಫೀಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಆ ಫೀಲು ಇಲ್ಲ
Wow.
ತುಂಬಾ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ
Very nice.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದಾನೇ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Very nice.
ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನನ್ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಮುಗೀತು ನನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಫೀಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಾನು ಎದುರಿಸ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
Very nice.
ನಾನು ನನ್ ಮಗ್ಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಂತ
Very nice.
ನನ್ಗೆ ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸೊ ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Wonderful, yeah, wonderful. Wonderful, Jayashree. Very happy for you. See, small changes in people can bring about. Yes, Padmini ma'am. Good to see you after a long time.
Long time.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I get one-to-one session with you for cord cutting?
Yes, it's possible. Just pay for now 999 and block it. Then I'll ask Krupa to get in touch and help you with the details.
Ma'am, you give me the scanner. I will send it the whole amount now only.
Okay.
I will pay to the credit card now. So I'll take the EMI later.
Okay. Just give me just 1 minute. Krupa, are you there? So that's the link you need to use for the EMIs through your credit card. Madhvi ma'am, Padmini ma'am, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes.
You've sent me the link now.
Just a moment. Krupa, can you please send it to Padmini ma'am so that she can use it? Yeah. Ma'am, can you see the chat?
Yeah, I'm seeing the chat.
Yeah, that is the link.
Okay, the link. Okay. Ma'am, आपकी link. I want one-to-one cutting with you.
Yeah, so anybody who is paying 15 today, I'm getting the personal cord cutting free with me. I'm going
Okay,
to do
thank
that.
you.
Yeah?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes. And Madhvi also said, just did the payment, whatever it is, I want to learn from you. How beautiful. Thank you so much. Prabpreet, unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, actually, I had many questions. Firstly, how many practice sessions will we have?
See, one session for attunement, one session for practice is enough. On the day we have
Okay.
practice, we will also clear your doubts. Apart from that, we always meet on a weekly basis for the lot of doubts and stuff like that. Like tomorrow also we have a session on ECH. Whenever you come for live sessions, you can always ask any further doubts or anything. See, generally my courses are so beautifully explained, you don't have any doubts.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. And how many days will we get? After how many days will we get the attunement? Like within the course or after completing it?
So we will have repeated attunements. So if whenever you feel that you're ready at that point of time, you can take for every other Reiki, we have Mani Reiki, we have then all the other Shiva Reikis and similarly energetic cord cutting. We definitely have attunements. So almost every month we will have one attunement. So whichever day fits for you, you can go ahead and get your attunement done.
Okay. And after that, will we be able to attune others as well?
Yes. So this is one of the course which certifies you to heal others and teach others also.
Means you will teach us to attune as well, right?
Prabrit, are you a Reiki healer? Monica is asking for the link. Yeah.
No, ma'am, I'm not a Reiki healer. I've done pranic and akashic.
So in Pranic, did they teach you attunement?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you need to actually learn generally attunement in the master level because there is how you learn in detail how do you give attunement.
Like you said, na, for this course, like we can also teach others. So how would we teach if we won't be able to attune others?
So
So
you
can't that part be included here?
so
Just the attunement part.
Prabrit, my master Reiki is for 3999. I would
Okay.
highly recommend you to learn this because if you are going to be into the field of, you are saying, I want to teach others, I want to heal others, you need to definitely be perfect in this. So you can't do a, minimum thing. You just do the perfect professional thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if we are able to complete that 6 weeks course before time, then can we get the certificate
Yeah.
prior 6 months, weeks? Okay.
Yeah,
And
no problem.
and what is there in the kit, ma'am?
So assuming anybody pays 15,000 today, they will get I'll just check if it's over here. Yeah, these two things are the main thing. There is a selenite knife and a black obsidian knife, which generally is there for cord cutting. And apart from that, you get the cord cutting candles exclusively for yourself to understand how to interpret with the entire candle cord cutting kit and stuff like that. So these are the two main tools that you get. And apart from that, you will be getting the cord cutting candles.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the Reiki course that you said, na, that's the master level one. So, after that, would we have to learn something else as well, or will that be enough?
That is for Reiki master. To become a Reiki master. Again, Reiki master is for someone who wants to teach anybody. All right. When anybody
Yeah,
wants to teach another person, that's when Reiki master comes into picture. There you learn a lot of beautiful things. There's psychic surgery, there's crystal, grid making, there is distance healing. There's a lot that is beautiful in master this thing. There you learn about attunements, how to give attunements to others and how you're teaching others and stuff.
Ma'am, what's the difference between that level and the Grand Master level?
When you start teaching people and attuning people for level 1 and level 2, you become a master. When you start teaching and attuning people for the master level, you become a grandmaster.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Menaka, unmute yourself, please.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Yes.
ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂತಿದೀನಿ ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು
ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಕು
ಇವತ್ತು 15,000 ಕೊಡೋರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ.
ನೀವು ಹೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ
ನಾನೇ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಝೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ.
Okay. ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 5th 10th ಅದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ
ಅದೇ ಕೃಪಾ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಜಾಜ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು
Sure.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ ಕೈಲೇನೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ
Absolutely.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
Yeah.
ಸೊ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Sure. Sure.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Yes, Nehal, unmute yourself.
Madhura, I just have one question. Like, if I want to go ahead with the Bajaj EMI option, will I get the kit or I'll not get the kit?
If it's done, then you get it. Snehal, you
Okay.
didn't do it. I thought you've done it.
No, I have not.
Oh.
Last time I was not in Mumbai. Remember last I told you we were
Yes.
traveling. My family was there. So
Bajaj EMI is an arrangement that we do for people for it to be easy. So it doesn't matter how you pay. If you clear it today, you will be getting the kit also and the personal counseling session for cord cutting with me.
okay. Okay. So I'll do the. So do I have to book 999 for that and then again Bajaj?
Bajaj 14 will be done then.
Sorry.
Bajaj mein 14,000 will be done.
Okay. Bajaj mein 14,000 will be done. Okay. Got it.
Monica, 999 is to book your seat with the price. The balance is 14,000, which you need to pay within a week. If you're able to pay today the complete money, you get two things. One is the kit and one is the personal healing session with me. Preeti Rai wants the ECH activation. So if you pay the whole thing today, Preeti, and then you say you want ECH, which is 1 year subscription, instead of the gift and the counseling session, I will give you ECH. Will that work? 1 year of subscription with me instead of the kit. If it works, I'm ready to do that. You want me? ले लो अभी, आओ, ले लो मुझे. कोई ले जाए. Any more questions? Please feel free. You want my one-to-one session? Any more questions? Monica, okay. Preeti Rai, I don't know if you have paid 999. Preeti, if you have paid 999, pay it. I don't know what you have done. Let me know. Where are you? Unmute yourself. No, iPhone, unmute yourself. Whatever is your name, iPhone, please put your name. It's always important to put your identity.
Hi, ma'am. Sorry, I couldn't write my name because I joined very quickly. So this is the first time I'm talking to you. Last year, I took your course, Reiki level 1 and 2.
Okay.
After that,
What's your name?
my name is Pooja.
Okay, yes, Pooja.
So after that, I felt that my energy has changed a lot. I feel so drained. मैं कुछ भी करती हूँ, I feel so drained. सुबह whenever I wake up around 10 o'clock, but I want to wake up early. मैं नहीं कर पाती because I feel so drained. So I don't know, and I don't understand the reason. I try to find the reason, but that's my challenge. And I'm not able to do Reiki also because I have work. तो मैं नहीं कर पाती because I was not feeling energetic throughout the day.
Pooja, something is not so correct that you're doing. So what you can do is come to one of these live sessions where I do the. Are you a part of ECH?
No, no.
Okay, ECH is one of those sessions where every week throughout 1 year we will be learning something, doing something, and practicing something. There, when you come, I will sit with you to understand what is the procedure that you're following, and I'll be able to help you there. Right? Or
Okay,
you can
perfect.
come to one of these live sessions when I'm doing something with Reiki also. Reiki also, a lot of live sessions are there. You can come over there.
Okay, I have joined one group, I think, where you've put this thing about this session. So is it the one we get the information about the live Reiki session, or it's not?
That I have 90 groups, so I don't know which one you are a part of. Can you just tell me which one is that?
Okay, I'll get in. I don't remember. Sorry, I'll get in touch with one of your teammates. So
Yeah.
I'll let you know. Okay,
Yeah.
thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Preeti Rai, unmute yourself.
Thank you, Madhura ma'am. Thank you so much. Because of him, I was off camera. Otherwise, I was listening everything. And thank you with the self-love meditation which you made. I am doing it and I'm really feeling the change.
Wonderful, yeah, wonderful.
Feminine energy on हो रही है.
Yes.
Cord cuttings करने हैं अभी बहुत सारी energies are like still aligned and all. So I was thinking, thank you for this, for getting this offer today. I actually thought last time when I've seen in the portal. So I was thinking, how do I do and all? And suddenly, you know, when you think for and you pray for बहुत शिद्दत से and all.
You
this was-
manifested.
Yes, I actually manifested and I wanted to do it. But मुझे ये था कि मैं कब करूँ. And today it was the day when I had to, and I paid 999. I'll meet Krupa and I'll check with her for Bajaj and all, and I'll do it. I want, of course, I want your one-on-one session. Krupa knows very well how much I'm like in, one-on-one session with you, and through this, you have written that one-on-one session with me, so I was even more happy.
Wonderful, yeah, wonderful.
Thank you, Krupa, for always helping me because no matter what.
Hello, what's your name, baby? क्या नाम है?
Parth. He said Parth. But when somebody's asked, he speaks very slow. Otherwise, he'll be in his full volume.
Yeah, that's how kids are.
Yeah, so whenever I have messaged her, she has always replied. So big thanks to Krupa. And thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Your energy is like awesome. And I always get attracted.
Thank you so much.
Isliye I told that I want you.
Where are you from, Preeti?
I'm basically from UP, but settled in Hyderabad.
Okay.
And I'm proudly single mother. So I'm going to put this for a single mothers only.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Lovely. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. And Sana Arora, the Bajaj EMI starts from 2nd of June. Yeah, 2nd of June. Your first EMI starts from 2nd of June. You have 0 down payment. Yes, Padmini ma'am, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I made the payment, but I didn't take the clip. I didn't click the photo, but I made the payment.
He would have got the details.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Sana Arora, unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
I'm so sorry. Actually, I'm just having a headache. That's why I was just not keeping my video
Not a
on.
problem. Not a problem.
So, just wanted to know that I have already paid 999, and of course, Bajaj Finance will be done by Krupa with her guidance. So, like, when will the access to the things start, and like, when do we start learning things?
Sana, if you get through the Bajaj today, all right?
Okay.
Which is basically checking your CIBIL score, etc. And if it is done today, you will get the access today. You start learning from tonight.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. And we have any more questions? Vidya says, grateful for the knowledge. Thank you, Vidya. Can you give the kit for me also? Neeta, have you booked this session? I don't know if you are a part of energetic cord cutting. Okay. I think we're done. Sundaresh sir is also done. Sana Arora paid 999. Okay. Any more questions, anybody? Are we done? Feel free to ask any questions. Neeta, the offers keep changing. So this is for the batch now, right? There you had the benefit of live session, right? Yeah, that's why. Yeah. I have to balance everybody, no? Yeah, got it. So when I get a live session with them, I can personally talk to them and help them out. Yeah, got it. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Love you all. Wishing you all lots of love, luck, and abundance. Take care, everyone.